Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel Kailet's K-pop, and today we are gonna talk about the popularity of K-pop in India. So before I start the video, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well. So let's get started. So I will explain everything in step by step. So first of all, I would like to say that India is a very big country like China. So in order to explain, I would like to divide India into two regions. So first one is mainland India and second is northeast of India. So I would like to compare the popularity of K-pop between mainland India and northeast of India. So the popularity of K-pop started from 2015, as there were lots of idol groups which actually became popular, and fans actually started recognizing them and they started following them, listening to their music. Many of them used to make dance covers, most of them also used to make vocal covers, even some used to perform on events like the K-pop contest India. So that's how the popularity of K-pop started to spread day by day and year after year. So in 2015, BTS started to rose to fame from scratch. They actually started being popular from their music video called I Need You and Go. So these two music videos actually made them popular all over Korea, and even other countries around Korea started to recognize them as one of the most leading K-pop groups. So other K-pop groups like EXO, GOT7, TWICE, and later Blackpink, 17 also came to fame and helped in spreading the popularity of K-pop as a global fame. First of all, I'd like to explain you about the popularity of K-pop in mainland India. So I would like to say that the popularity of K-pop in mainland India is less if compared to the popularity in northeast of India, and I will briefly explain down the points why it is less popular in mainland of India. So number one, mainland India is divided into two parts. Number one is northern region and second is southern region. In northern region, they already have Bollywood industry, which is one of the biggest source of entertainment for India. So because they have Bollywood, K-pop haven't found a stable position or space in order to spread the popularity of K-pop globally. So that's one of the reasons why K-pop is not popular in northern region. In south, we have Tollywood. So because in south Tollywood already exists, that's one of the reasons why the popularity of K-pop has not yet been stabilized. They haven't yet able to achieve a stable position in south of India. However, there are some metro urban cities in mainland India, and they also hold a position in the popularity of K-pop. Number one is Mumbai. So Mumbai, in every year they used to have K-pop concerts, then K-pop dance festivals, then Korean festivals, then K-pop flash mobs and all. In second, we have Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India, and they have the embassy of South Korea. Moreover, the Korean cultural center of India is also located in New Delhi. So that's one of the reasons why K-pop is mostly focused in Delhi, and there are lots of concerts which have been already on, and many more concerts are yet to come. So in number three, we have Bangalore. So Bangalore is one of the most populated metro urban city in the south. So Bangalore used to organize K-pop dance contest, singing contest every single year, and they used to have K-pop events, also anniversary events, as well as flash mob. So that's one of the very good thing that K-pop is quite rising in Bangalore. So in fourth, we have it's Chennai. Chennai is located at the bottom of India, and there are lots of Koreans working in Chennai as well as Bangalore. There are lots of Koreans who used to come to the south cities in order for their jobs. Some used to come with their families for schooling, then some used to come for college and everything like that. So that's one of the reason why K-pop is growing in south cities day by day. So next we come to the popularity of K-pop in northeast of India. So the first number one reason why K-pop is popular is because Northeast is the hub of K-pop. So the reason behind being the hub of K-pop is because Northeast people actually could find similarities with the Koreans. It's because of the similar roots like facial structures and all. Also other things like fashion, dressing sense, and haircuts, hairstyles, everything comes. And also more of our Northeast people could much relate, and Northeast people feel closer with the other Asian countries like Japan, Taiwan, Hong Kong. In number 3, I have ranked the Northeast states according to the popularity of K-pop. So in number 1 we have Mizoram, in number 2 we have Manipur, in number 3 we have Nagaland, in number 4 we have Assam, in number 5 we have Arunachal, 6 we have Meghalaya. In number 7 we have Sikkim, and in number 8 we have Tripura. So we come to number 4. Lots of Koreans and K-pop idols have visited northeast of India in this year. So in number 1 we have KARD, who had their very own concert in Guwahati last year in Silprogram. It's an open auditorium. So in number 2 we have Mont, who came for their very own pre-debut concert in Nagaland as well as in Manipur. So in number 3 we have VAV, who is a rookie group. So they had come all over from Korea to Manipur in order to have a concert here. In number 4 we have Ensoniq. So most of you guys may not have known about Ensoniq, but Ensoniq came to Guwahati in 2014 for the IIT Alcharinga Festival. It's a festival organized by the Engineering Institute. In number 5 we have Infact, who visited Mizoram, and they also explored the culture and tradition of Mizoram. In number 6 we have soloist artist Jang Han Byul, who is now also an actor. He had his first very concert in Shillong's own Cherry Blossom Festival last year during the winter season. So in number 5 we have Nagaland's Hornbill Festival, which is used to celebrate every single year, and they are the one who brought the first popularity of K-pop in northeast of India. So as of today we can see that K-pop is growing in India in different regions, and it's quite fascinating, and it's also quite exciting because Korea has been recognizing India as one of the hub for K-pop, and we expect that lot of agencies like SM, JYP, YG and other famous big companies will organize their own concerts in India, and fans are truly excited about it. Even a K-pop star like Jackson from GOT7, he said that he really want to visit India in one of the video, and even BTS, they knew about India very well, and maybe I hope that they are planning to have a concert in India in the coming years. So guys, we come to the end of the video. That's all for today guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any comments, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I will get back to you with a response. Yeah, like the video, share the video, and if you are a new visitor to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Do let me know what topics you want me to make video on, and I will do it. So guys, till then, take care, bye.